Now, I'm sure that you're watching this video because you want to crush it on LinkedIn, but you don't want to spend 10 hours a week having to create content. So throughout the course of this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make that happen. Now, you might be a B2B service provider and you're really told that the key to success on LinkedIn is just to post more content, more engagement, more everything. But what if more is actually the reason that you might be failing? And what if the endless content grind is not only burning you out, but it's also killing your results potentially? Now, I've been able to build a very successful business on LinkedIn by actually spending less than an hour a day on the platform. I only spend actually a matter of minutes, and it's not been about the volume of content that I created. When I started, certainly through the first few years, I was only posting once and then a few times a week. It's much more about the system that you use. So throughout the course of this video, I'm going to show you how to get off of that content treadmill to build a predictable pipeline of high ticket clients without spending your whole life on LinkedIn. And it's the same approach that got me to 55,000 followers, all completely organically on LinkedIn, with over 10 million impressions, leaving our clients' calendars to looking something like this, their inboxes looking something like this, and their Stripe dashboards for payments looking something like this. So with all of that said, what I find is that most people are on what I call the content treadmill. So they're posting every day or several times a week, just basically hoping that someone's going to see their content and then reach out. And it's quite a passive, unpredictable strategy. Whereas the conversion engine, on the other hand, it's much more of a proactive system, actually designed to start conversations with your ideal clients every single day. So it's not actually necessarily about going viral, it's about actually being more direct. So instead of spending hours creating content, you should be spending that time engaging in strategic conversations with decision makers. This means identifying your ideal clients, connecting with them in a personalized way, and then using a simple, basically non-salesy messaging framework to move the conversation from the inbox into an actual sales call. And this is how you can take more control over your pipeline. So what a 1 hour a day workflow would look like is that for 20 minutes, you would simply send personalized connection requests to your ideal types of clients. So you identify 20 to 30 of your ideal clients and then send them a personalized message, encouraging them to actually connect with you. Then you spend another 20 minutes for actual messaging. So you'll follow up with these new connections using a proven messaging script that's designed to start a conversation and not to sell. And on this channel, I've got more detailed videos that walk you through the 4-part framework that we leverage to be able to start conversations, accelerate them, move them forward, and to get you to a point of actually converting a qualified lead into a sales call. And then you want to spend about another 20 minutes actually on content. So you post one high value piece of content that speaks directly to the pain points of your ideal client. And that's really it. So you can see in just 1 hour a day, you can build a 6 or 7 figure pipeline. It's not necessarily about working harder. It's really about working smarter. And again, if you do want more detailed breakdowns of the actual messaging to send, etc., you can check out some of the other videos on the channel. In addition, I put together a short video, which I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, which tells you a little bit more about actually how to get to a point where you can really extend your efforts here, get a quicker time to result. And it breaks down how we guarantee for our clients 50K in net new pipeline in 90 days through what we call the influx pipeline system, autopilot system. So if you do want that breakdown, I've again left a link in the description box below so that you can access that. If you did find this video helpful as well, please do take a second to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one.